As water is the essence of life, so are the watercolors essence of art for any artist. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss about how to make a watercolor painting, and the concept of watercolor will be explained from the color mixing and the different aspects in the video. Before we start, those who are joining me for the first time, please subscribe the channel and press the bell notification so that this video reaches to more and more people. In my channel, I make videos of all types on different art forms. Please check out the links given in the description below. So let's start. The small picture in the insert which you are seeing is the painting which will be created in the end. In this painting, I am using watercolors, the simple watercolors, and you are seeing that the colors are again the ground colors. This is a painting of partial forest area, and the first initial colors are being applied. I prefer to use round brush, and for bigger areas I use a flat brush so that the coloring can be done fast. This is the sky area as well as the ground area. First the base colors are applied. You will see that there is a mixture of brown, yellow and green used to depict the greenery as well as the ground shading also. If you have any queries on watercolors or any other art form, you can join us for live art sessions which are conducted every Sunday. The schedule and timings are there on the community tab of my channel. So please join and get the benefit out of it. Use of contrast shades is done in watercolors to bring out a light portion of a painting by depicting a dark shade in the contrast. So this area of the painting has got dark as well as light shades. You will see that the dark shades help to bring out the lighter area of the painting easily. Forest area behind the hut I am starting now. I have to show the effect of trees which have got sharp leaves. So initially light yellow and the blue is used in the background to give shade of the tree. Do try this painting, and after you have painted, come back to the video and give your comments below in the description box so that I come to know that if you have any query or you have really enjoyed the process, then it will be a benefit for those who have not tried, and they will also be motivated to try out the art form. Watercolors are fun. If you are good at watercolors, then you can handle any other colors, any other medium. These are the narrow and the thin pine trees which are in the foreground. From the leaves it will be evident. So these are made to give height to the painting. Effect is given on the left side of the painting also. You are seeing that the leaf effect is given with more detail. So this part of the trees are closer to our eyes, so we will give some details to it so that this part is closer to our eyes in the perspective. The left part of the painting is slightly darker because it is in the dark. So to give it depth, I have kept the left side darker. And this is almost the end of the painting. The final output will be in the next slide. Hope you have enjoyed. There are more aspects to the watercolor which I will cover in the live workshops in the coming time. So do join it and hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next time. Bye bye.